It's interesting how the market works. Some cars get all the attention, all the headlines, all the hype, and then there are others, quieter, less flashy, that just keep running year after year without drama. No viral reviews, no big redesign buzz, just consistent reliability. In the rush toward SUVs and newer trends, a handful of sedans quietly slipped out of the spotlight. Not because they were bad, not because they were unreliable. In many cases, it was the opposite. They simply didn't try to be exciting. They focused on solid engines, proven transmissions, and straightforward engineering. Today, those overlooked sedans sit in the used market at reasonable prices, often passed over for newer, more complicated alternatives. But when you look at long-term ownership data, maintenance patterns, and real-world mileage reports, a different story starts to emerge. In this video, we're looking at 5 forgotten sedans that are still incredibly reliable. Cars that may not get attention anymore, but continue to prove themselves where it actually matters. Durability, simplicity, and peace of mind. Spend a little time around a Mazda 6 from 2014 to 2019, and you start to understand why it quietly built a reputation for durability. During these years, Mazda kept things relatively simple, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engines paired with conventional automatic transmissions. No complicated powertrains, no unnecessary complexity. Most of these models use the 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine with a traditional 6-speed automatic. It's a well-proven setup known for balanced performance and solid long-term reliability when maintained properly. Power delivery is smooth and predictable, and at highway speeds the engine remains composed without feeling strained. Ride and handling lean slightly firmer than some competitors, but still comfortable enough for long drives. What stands out is the structural feel. The car tracks straight at speed, steering is precise, and nothing feels loose or overworked. That kind of consistency often translates well into long-term ownership. Inside, the Mazda 6 is straightforward and driver-focused. Higher trims typically include leather seating, power adjustments, heated seats, and solid build quality without excessive electronic complexity. Fewer complicated systems often mean fewer long-term headaches. Annual maintenance costs generally fall in the $600, $900 range, depending on mileage and service history, making it one of the more affordable sedans to keep on the road. Depreciation has brought prices down significantly, yet mechanically these cars continue to age well. What makes the Mazda 6 fit this theme isn't flash. It's the simple formula: proven engine, conventional transmission, and engineering that favors balance over experimentation. Sometimes reliability comes from not trying to reinvent everything. Look at an Accord from 2013 to 2017, and it's easy to overlook it simply because it's so common. But that familiarity is part of the story. During these years, Honda relied on well-proven, naturally aspirated engines paired with either a conventional automatic or a manual transmission, depending on trim, avoiding unnecessary complexity in most versions. The 2.4-liter 4-cylinder is especially known for long-term durability when properly maintained. It delivers steady, predictable power without stress, and at highway speeds it settles into a smooth, quiet rhythm. The available V6 versions offer more power while still maintaining a strong reputation for longevity. Suspension tuning strikes a balance between comfort and control. It's composed over rough pavement, tracks straight at speed, and doesn't feel loose even as mileage climbs. That structural consistency is one reason so many of these cars accumulate high mileage without major issues. Inside comma, the layout is practical and durable. Materials hold up well over time, controls are straightforward, and higher trims typically include leather seating, power adjustments, and driver assistance features without overwhelming electronics. Fewer complicated systems often translate to fewer long-term repair surprises. Annual maintenance costs typically land in the $600, $1,000 range, depending on engine choice and upkeep. Parts are widely available, labor is familiar territory for most shops, and long-term ownership data consistently shows strong durability. What makes this generation of Accord forgotten isn't reliability, it's that people stop talking about sedans. Yet mechanically, it remains one of the most consistent, proven options in this entire category. Spend time around an Avalon from 2013 to 2018, and you start noticing how deliberately simple it is underneath. Toyota built this generation using the same proven 3.5-liter V6 found in several other long-running models, paired with a conventional 6-speed automatic transmission. No turbocharging, no experimental systems, just a well-established drivetrain designed for longevity. Power delivery is smooth and relaxed, especially at highway speeds where the engine barely feels like it's working. That low-stress design plays a big role in why so many Avalons accumulate high mileage without major mechanical drama. Ride quality leans heavily toward comfort. Suspension tuning favors isolation over sportiness, absorbing rough pavement while keeping the car stable at speed. On long drives, it feels calm and predictable, exactly the kind of behavior that ages well over time. Inside, the cabin is spacious and built with durability in mind. Leather seating, power adjustments, and straightforward controls are common in higher trims. Materials tend to hold up well, and the overall layout avoids excessive electronic complexity. Annual maintenance costs typically fall in the $600–$900 range, assuming regular service. Parts availability is excellent across the U.S., and most shops are extremely familiar with this platform. Depreciation may have pushed it out of the spotlight, but mechanically, it remains one of the most consistently reliable full-size sedans on the road. Look at an Impala from 2014 to 2019, and it's easy to dismiss it as just another large sedan. But underneath, this generation uses one of GM's most established powertrains, the naturally aspirated 3.6-liter V6, paired with a conventional 6-speed automatic. It's a widely used setup across multiple GM vehicles, which means long-term serviceability is well understood. Power delivery is smooth and steady, especially at highway speeds where the engine remains relaxed rather than stressed. That low-strain design is part of why many of these cars accumulate high mileage without major drivetrain issues when properly maintained. Suspension tuning favors comfort and stability. It absorbs broken pavement well and maintains composure at speed, making long-distance driving easy. The car tracks straight on the highway and nothing feels overly complex or fragile in the way it's engineered. Inside, space and practicality stand out. Wide seats, a roomy cabin, and trims that often include leather seating, power adjustments, and solid safety features make it a comfortable long-term option. The layout is simple, and electronic systems are generally straightforward compared to newer designs. Annual maintenance typically falls in the $700–$1,100 range, depending on mileage and upkeep. Shared GM components keep parts availability strong, and most independent shops are familiar with the platform. It may not get much attention today, but mechanically, this generation of Impala continues to prove itself as a durable, straightforward, full-size sedan. Sit in an ES 350 from 2013 to 2018, and it quickly becomes clear why this model has such a strong long-term reputation. During these years, Lexus relied on the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 paired with a conventional 6-speed automatic transmission, a combination known for smooth operation and durability. Power delivery is linear and quiet, especially at highway speeds where the engine runs at low stress levels. That conservative tuning plays a major role in why many ES models reach high mileage without major drivetrain issues when properly maintained. Ride quality focuses on comfort and isolation. Suspension tuning absorbs uneven pavement while keeping the car stable and predictable at speed. Steering is light and easy, reinforcing the idea that this sedan was engineered for relaxed, long-distance driving rather than aggressive handling. Inside, build quality stands out. Leather seating is common, materials hold up well over time, and the layout avoids unnecessary complexity. Controls are straightforward, electronics are generally reliable, and the cabin remains quiet even as mileage increases. Annual maintenance typically falls in the $700–$1,000 range, depending on service history. Parts availability is excellent across the U.S., and long-term ownership data consistently ranks this generation among the more dependable luxury sedans. It may not generate headlines anymore, but mechanically, the ES 350 continues to prove that reliability often comes from proven engineering rather than constant reinvention. Reliability rarely makes headlines. It doesn't trend, it doesn't excite, and it doesn't promise anything dramatic. What it does is much simpler. It shows up every morning and does its job. All 5 of these sedans were built during a time when manufacturers focused on proven engines, conventional transmissions, and engineering that prioritized longevity over experimentation. They may not be the newest designs on the road, but they continue to deliver what many drivers actually want: consistency, predictability, and peace of mind. Sometimes the smartest choice isn't the one everyone is talking about. It's the one that keeps running long after the spotlight has moved on.